Your next question is, which is the bird which separates water from milk? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Swan. C. Sparrow. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is B. Swan. Your next question is, which plant is found in the desert? These are your options. A. Neem. B. Rose. C. Cactus. D. Peepal. The correct answer is C. Cactus. Your next question is, which country produces the most mangoes in the world? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is B. India. Your next question is, from which country does India buy the most arms? These are your options. A. Russia. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is A. Russia. Your next question is, where did the world's first car race take place? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is D. America. Your next question is, which disease is caused by mosquito bite? These are your options. A. Sugar. B. Stone. C. Fever. D. Malaria. The correct answer is D. Malaria.